Hello Year 4 and welcome to Maths Meeting number 13. Now before we begin, remember you'll need something to write with and something to write on. And as the video plays, this pause button will pop up every now and again, trying you to pause the video, have a go at the question on the screen, and then we'll go through the answer afterwards. Okay, you ready? Let's begin. Months of the year, first of all, nice and loud. Days have September, June and all the rest have, except February alone, which has but days clear and 29 in each. Okay, did you sing nice and loud for me? Good. Let's see it again. Let's see if we got the answers correct. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Well done if you got all those correctly. And well done for singing nice and loud. Okay, let's continue. Okay, Roman numerals now. I've been a bit tricky here in that I haven't given you all the Roman numerals and number equivalents. So you're really going to have to practice here now. Really have to think. Okay, we've got XXXVII. What is that in a two-digit number? Off you go. Okay, so did we get it? Let's have a look at our 10th number first. That's XXX. Well, X is 10, so XXX must be 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30. That's a 3 in the tens column. Let's look at our ones column now. Got VII. That's a 5, a 1 and a 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. Remember, because these ones are on the right side of the 5, it means we have to add them. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 37. XXXVII is 37. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, we're going to tell the time now. Have a look at the clock face. Are we going to, past? You can tell me the time in analog or digital or both. Okay, off you go. Right, let's see, shall we? We're going to go to analog time first of all. This minute hand here tells me that we're going to the next hour. We're on the left-hand side, travelling to the next hour. But what hour? We're travelling to 11, aren't we? That's right, we're travelling to 11. How many minutes? Well, we could count all the minutes from here until the 12. Count with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 minutes to 11 or 23 to 11. Okay, let's do the digital time now. Remember, digital time doesn't like going to. Digital time has to go past. So what hour have we gone past if we're travelling to the 11? That's right, we've travelled past the 10. But how many minutes has our minute hand travelled from the 12 this direction? Okay, well, we could count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 10:37. Well done if you got the analog time. Well done if you got the digital time. Well done if you got both. Okay, factor bugs now. We've got 27, 42, 28. Could you do all the factors of these three numbers? Off you go. Okay, so remember, every number has 1 and itself as a factor. So let's have a look at 27 first of all. 27 has 1 and 27. 1 times 27 is 27. And 3 and 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 42 now has got 1 and 42. 1 times 42 is 42. 2 and 21. 2 times 21 is 42. 3 and 14. 3 times 14 is 42. And 6 and 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. Last one now, 28, has got 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. Well done if you got all three of those factor bugs correct. Okay, let's see what's next, shall we? Know what no one knows? Okay, what are our missing numbers? Our missing numbers are the answers or the parts, aren't they? Off you go. Okay, let's make a start, shall we? 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. And what multiplied by 8 equals 64? 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. That means that 64 is a square number. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, Addison wants us to add these two numbers now. 743 plus 268. What's the most efficient method for adding these two numbers? Off you go. Okay, let's see what we've got, shall we? I think column is perfectly okay for these two numbers, so let's go ahead and add them. We're going to start with our ones column, 3 plus 8. Well, that's 11, isn't it? With our 110 in the tens column and our 1 in the ones column. So now we've got 4 plus 6 plus 1 in the tens column. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11. So that's 100 and 110. And lastly, we've got 700 plus 200 plus this 100 here. 700 plus 200 plus 100 is 1,000, which means that 743 plus 268 is 1,011. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, we've got some minus numbers now. I've hidden some numbers on this number line. Can you count along, forward and back, and see what the missing numbers are? Okay, shall we see? We've got a 0 here. Well, these blue numbers here, these positive numbers are easy, aren't they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy peasy. Okay, but now we're going to count back from 0. 0, negative 2, negative 3, negative 5, negative 6. Looks like we're counting in ones. So 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Well done if you got that one correct. We haven't done negative numbers before. Well done, and I'll see you in the next video.